How are you guys doing? I'm sure you guys are doing very fine, very well. Get ready for today's class. Are you guys ready for today's class? A candlestick strategy in forex. Today I'm going to explain candlestick strategy. Use these candlestick for trading. How we use these candlestick to find out reversal and as you guys always asking me how to set TP, SL, each and everything. So today in this video session, I'm going to explain about candlestick, how we use them for better understanding in market, how actually they works. And after the class, I will drop these all details in group, so you guys will read and understand them easily well. We are ready from Zimbabwe. Welcome, buddies and bests. In today's live stream about candlestick, how actually these candlesticks works. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Let's wait for others so they come and join us on time. जी अच्छा है. Afternoon. Welcome everybody. Welcome to streaming. Today we are going to discuss about candlestick patterns, how to use them, how helpful they are to find out a reversal. Are you guys ready? Everybody double tap on screen and like the stream. How many views we got it right now? There are 8 views right now. Let's wait for others. They come and join us. Everybody like the stream and let's get started to the class. Are you guys ready? Mr. Kevin, welcome. Good evening. Good afternoon, yes. Welcome everybody to the stream. Let's get started to our trading class, and let's understand a few points which are really important. How actually we identify the buy and sell in boom and crash using candlestick patterns. Each time you find out this, I have started people pay attention. Each time you find a candle is, this is for sell example, a candle which is bullish, a candle which is bullish, and you found somewhere after this candle a type of doji candle, and then again a bullish candle or bearish candle. Okay, somewhere on top or somewhere on bottom. Okay, what is the main thing to look in this? The doji must be inside of these two candles. The doji opening and closing must be inside of these two candles. I'm sure the screen is clear and things are visible to you people. What I'm explaining here, you guys are able to watch them and understand. Each time you see a bull move, okay, a bullish move, and a doji candle appear, and again next candle which close at the same price where the doji is opened and closed. Clear and visible. Okay, each time a bull move appear and a doji, any type of doji, gravestone doji, is a dragonfly doji, is a simple doji, is a non-leg doji, any type of doji, is a pin bar doji. There are thousands of kinds. So the opening, what is really we need, the necessity to look is it's mean the reversal gonna be happen. Reversal will be there. You need to do what? That type of candle will give you a clue of reversal before things go back and start a new swing, a new direction. Okay guys, now let's find out this example somewhere on top, somewhere in bottom. Once you find this type of formation of candlesticks, it's mean reversal going to be happen somewhere on resistance and somewhere on top. Okay, each time you find out this, somewhere on and somewhere on resistance, the closing and the opening will be at the same area. We need what? The opening and closing at same area. So check it out guys, this is a top, somewhere market is on top. Okay, and we find out what we found out, a clear example. There's a previous one candle and the next candle and the doji. The main thing is the doji candle which is in middle of these both candles. The doji opening and closing is inside of these both candles. when we seen how to confirm, the main thing is confirmation. So how to take the confirmation? First you seen this candle, okay, and after a doji is appeared. Once a doji is appeared, okay, like say this is a doji. Once a doji is appeared, now you have to pay attention on this. You have to pay attention on this, because maybe this will our reversal sign. You have to pay attention to this. When you see the previous candle closed, next this is the doji candle closed, but the closed doji candle is inside of the previous candle. The doji opening and closing is inside of this previous candle. So it's mean this is the sign of reversal. Well, when to sell or when to buy? Once the third candle, here is third candle everywhere. If it's like this, like this, like this, what we need only the confirmation is that once the next candle appear, at the start of next candle, the doji must be inside. The doji opening and closing must be inside of next and the previous candle. You must note and listen this carefully. Each time you find out a previous candle, a doji inside of previous and inside of next candle, it means this is a good confirmation of trend reversal. Okay guys, and check it out. Here is the candle and here is the doji, which is inside opening and closing, and the next candle, a sell candle, it's opening and closing is in also the middle. Look at doji. The doji opening and closing is also in next candle and also the previous one. So here we got a confirmation. Now what to do? Now simply go to sell. Where to sell? Once it cross this doji length, look here, once it crossed the doji length, we enter our trade. Here we have to put our stop loss. For stop loss, we will use the previous first candle high area. This will be our stop loss. Check it out. Okay, we entered in this trade with confirmation. Once the confirmation we got it, simply need to do what? Focus on what? After confirmation, you have to enter your trade. Once the doji length completely done, okay, market grab the liquidity of doji, okay, and market started going down, it's time to enter in a trade. Stop loss will be at the top of first candle. The first candle high will be our stop loss, or maybe five points away from this. Sometimes it come closer to this. So 5 points away from the first candle. It's very simple. And cause of this doji, check it out. How long move we took? These spikes, multiple spikes. Okay, we enter the trade for sell, and again one more sign is appeared again. So this sign is showing us the strength of this sell. We received again the same, look here, the same candlestick reversal pattern here. It means this is the sign of reversal. Why? Because our criteria is meet up here, the previous candle and the next candle. But the main thing is the doji candle is opening and closing, look here, inside of these both candles, the previous one and the next one, inside. So we got a confirmation. So this is our sell trade is in right way. We got a second confirmation. That's why we hold this trade. Okay, and after holding, it went more long. You guys get it? How to sell. using this doji. Each time doji appear on somewhere top or somewhere in bottom. So it's time to do what? Sell or buy. Check it out. This is the candle, but its closing is outside of what? Outside of this previous candle. Outside of this previous candle. So we don't care of this. You have to avoid that type of trade. It was a reversal, but this reversal was not by this trade, by this candle. I will explain next the hammer candle. Actually, hammer candle give us a reversal. This is the hammer candle, inverted hammer, which is giving us buy trade. Know this doji. This is a false signal. You have to avoid this. This is a trap. If you see this candle which is closed bearish, and the next is doji closed, and the next also a bearish candle, but there is a problem. What's the problem? The doji opening and closing is not inside of previous or in front candle. That's why we don't listen to this. Yes, but this reversal happened because of this inverted hammer. I will explain later it. This is good sign. Check it out. Somewhere on top it's appeared. First candle. Here is the doji opening and closing, and here is again, this is why, because this doji is inverted hammer. That's why it appeared. This is also a good example. Let me search you another example about what I was explaining there. Opening and closing will be in the mid of previous and next candle. So it means this is a reversal sign. We don't care of outside closing. There are a lot of other candlestick patterns, so that's why. His opening and closing is a bit. No, this is not. This is some type of evening star. This is some type of evening star. We'll check later. We need what? Must be meet this criteria each time a doji appear inside of bars, inside of candles. It must be opening and closing inside of the candles. The previous candle inside and the next candle inside. Not the outside. If it's outside, we will look at what type of pattern is this. This is cause of hammer candle. I will explain what type of hammer you need to focus on it. But that type of reversal pattern have very power. That's why they are very few appearing on chart. But they are really very powerful. Check out this. In the present condition, why this sell is went. Check it, guys. Here is the previous candle, and the next doji opening and closing is inside of these both candles. The next one is confirmation candle. So the doji is showing, once we found this doji is closed and the next candle is bearish. Once we found out this is also a bearish candle, so it means a reversal. We took our entry at the cross of this doji candle. Here our sell entry, and our stop loss will be 5 points away from this previous first candle of, look here will be our stop loss at the top of 5 pips away from this first candle. Okay, and check it out, guys, with this confirmation, because we found it somewhere on top and it went in sell. You guys get it? Or someone have any question, you guys may ask me. Ishan Rashid, yes, focus on what I'm teaching here. Yes, my dear friends, let me know, are you guys get it? Is there someone have any question about this? So we move forward to next candlestick pattern and explain further. Let me know, guys, how to predict the move and how we get confirmation if we receive this in middle. Each time it appeared somewhere on top or somewhere in bottom. What is the false breakout and what is the wrong mean not valid pattern? I already told you which one is you have to avoid. Are you guys get it? So I move forward. So the next candle is, I'm going to explain. I can't see any answer in live chat. Should I stop till this or go forward? Let me know what is. Okay. How to find out a reversal using hammer pattern, hammer candlestick pattern. What type of hammer is good and what type of hammer is not good. Okay, buddies, let's move forward. What type of hammer? The first construction is in hammer. It will have a long doji leg, okay, and very low spread. The body will be very low spread and wide move. It's mean this is hammer, okay. It's mean what? This is hammer candle, long movement and very low spread. Low spread. It's mean small body with long thick. Let me explain in simple words. The body is formation cause of spread, and the wick is because of price momentum up and down. This is very basic. Once you find out a big leg, a big wick, okay, a long move, and low spread, low movement, low body, it's mean this is hammer. So what type of hammer is really working? Each time you find it on somewhere top and somewhere in bottom, it's mean this is working hammer. How to predict a good one? This is second question. Look, here is the body. Focus on it. Here is the body of this hammer. Okay, we count this. Look here. This is the body of hammer. Okay, and this is the wick. The wick must be 2 times or 3 times bigger than body. So it will be our valid hammer and powerful reversal pattern. Somewhere on top and somewhere on bottom. If it's appearing on top of swing of any bullish or bearish trend, no problem. If it's appearing on top, it's mean what's the confirmation? The wick will be greater than 3 times or 4 times or 2 times greater than body. So it's the confirmation of a valid candlestick reversal pattern, which called hammer candlestick pattern. Are you guys get it? What's the confirmation? Now let's check it out. What type of hammer? really working. Check it out, guys. Here I found it, a hammer pattern. This hammer pattern is appearing somewhere in downside, okay, at bottom. And this hammer pattern is also having 2 times or 3 times bigger than body, and there is no any wick in front of this hammer mouth. There is no any type of wick. So this is a very solid inverted hammer. Okay, this is very solid hammer pattern, cause in front of his mouth, okay, there is no any wick. Okay, and also the wick is greater than 2 times bigger than body, bigger than spread. The move is more bigger than spread. So it's mean this is what? This is our hammer. Once we seen at somewhere on top or somewhere on bottom, that type of hammer, it market will react. This is reversal pattern, and check it out. This happened. How simple trading is. Your mentors are just teaching you combination of moving averages. No, man, there are a lot of more things, more very simple things you need to become a profitable trader. You just need to follow these simple things. Very, very simple and very, very powerful. I am late. Okay, recording will be available. Just keep continuing from where you reached. So this is the hammer pattern. Once you find out it somewhere in bottom or somewhere on top, it must be, what will be the construction of this formation of this hammer must have no any wick front of his mouth, front of his body. Okay, and must be the length of movement, the length of wick must be 2 times or 3 times bigger than spread, bigger than body of this candle. Okay, guys. So we found out this is the buy example. Now let's move for a sell example. Must be a good hammer. There are a lot of hammers, but we don't consider them as a reversal. Check it out. This is also a hammer, but it's not on somewhere or top or bottom, and also it's not inverted. That's why there is no sign of reversal. This is also a type of hammer, but there is a wick front of his mouth, so it's also not valid. This is also a hammer candlestick pattern. This one, if you see, let me zoom. If you see, there's a wick. There is a wick front of this, okay, and it's inverted, already confirming the movement. But if you found it on somewhere top, you're not going to consider this. We always need a very simple, must be like this spread, like this body, and 2 times bigger than body's wick. The price momentum will be 2 times bigger than spread. So it's called what? A hammer candle. Okay, guys, I shown somewhere on top or somewhere in bottom. It's much important you were somewhere on higher high or higher low, your lower low or lower high. It's a reversal pattern. Now I do have a question for you guys. Can someone tell me? Wait, let me switch to minute 5, because in minute 5 there are a lot of hammers. In minute 5 there a lot of hammer appears. Simply once you find setup, go trade. If you don't find, don't trade. Note down these all things in your notebook. Simply, once they appear on your chart, go and trade them. This bullish move is starting. There will be an hammer candle, a type of inverted hammer candle. Let me find out a good reversal pattern. As I told you, as I explained, we need the same one. We're not looking for a false one. These must be same as I explained. If not the same, then we don't consider on it. They appear on chart very few because their strength is much powerful and they really help us to identify. Check it out, guys. Can someone tell me where is the hammer candle? Can someone tell me where is the hammer candle? And which one is good one? Hammer candle, and which one is good one? Can someone explain? Can you guys tell me which one is the hammer candle? Which one is good one? Check out the chart and let me know. The first bullish, fifth candle. Okay. Is there someone can tell me which hammer is more accurate? Which reversal pattern is more powerful? Guys, type which hammer candle is really good one. If you don't type, I have to close the class at the same level. 2735, very well said. So this is the powerful reversal pattern which really meets the criteria we explained earlier. This is a good reversal pattern, okay, which is showing us market will must where downward. And check it out, it went where? The sell is went so long because of this reversal pattern. Yes, two hammer candles. One is bullish and other one bearish. The bullish one is also a reversal pattern. No matter, it's also a reversal pattern. But there is a wick under his mouth, under his spread, under his body. So we don't like that type of hammers. We like that type of hammer. There is no any mouth, no any wick front of spread, front of body, but the body is thicker and the wick is 5 times bigger than body. So the hammer is valid. And check. This hammer give us a signal of sell. We're not doing trade. And this hammer give us a confirmation the sell is ongoing. And we took the trade. $2785 के करीब ग्रीन हैमर ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है, लेकिन ये ट्रैप कर जाता है. ऐसा हैमर जो है वो ट्रैप कर जाता है. If it's appearing, one more thing, if it's appearing, look here, you find a signal here, okay? You find out a signal here, because this doji candle closing and opening is inside of these both candles. We found the sell signal, and once we there, market reversed. But we found out there is a hammer candle, a type of doji. It's also a hammer. And we found it, the sell is continue. Don't be shy, hold your trade. Are you guys get it? Are you guys learned it? Is there any confusion, any question about this? You guys may ask me. How to confirm this with moving average? With moving average. Let me give you another tip. Moving average, go to moving average at 9 period exponential moving average. Apply to close, because we need to look at close hammer candle for next candle confirmation. Click it, save. So each time in sell move, the hammer and any candlestick appear under this moving average. Each time the candlestick reversal pattern appear under this moving average, under this below than this moving average, it means this is valid. Go for signal. A big tip for you guys. Each time this 9 period moving average show you a candlestick pattern appeared below than this moving average, any type of candlestick pattern appear under this at somewhere on top or somewhere in bottom, it means this reversal is confirmed. This is not a trap. If it's appeared, then we don't focus. Are you guys get it? Look here. A doji candle which is appearing here, the opening and closing is in middle, in the mid of these both candles. The doji opening and closing also under this 9 period moving average. Check it out, guys. Any time frame. Any time frame. Have you seen? The doji candle opening and closing is in the mid of these both candles. Inside of these both candles. A valid candlestick reversal pattern, we found it, and also it's under the moving average of 9 period. So the confirmation is solid. You guys may enter the trade with proper stop loss as I explained, and it went where? Check it out. Any time frame, my dear friend. Time frame really doesn't make sense. Any time frame you have found it, go ahead and do it. Let's say this is a daily time frame, okay? Once you find out a hammer candle or any type of doji candle inside, as explained earlier. Look, the buy was going here. We found out this doji type signal and it went again buy. Let me find out a hammer reversal pattern. So the second confirmation is what? Look here, guys. Opening and closing of this doji is in the middle of these both, in the center of these both candles, and also it's staying up of this 9 EMA. That's why these days went bullish, more bullish. Okay. Here you guys see somewhere on bottom there is a hammer candlestick pattern. But valid. Why? Because there is a little wick front of his mouth, front of his spread, front of his body. Each time the reversal appear inside of moving average, it's really a strong reversal. Check it out, guys. This is a strong reversal. This doji is opening and closing in both center of these candles, and that's also under these moving averages, and market went next 5 days in sell. Let's see if we found check it out, guys. If we found it, if you guys seen anywhere hammer, let me know. We must need a hammer at somewhere on top or somewhere on bottom. This is daily time frame. Maybe it's hard to find out there. Switch to H4 time frame. It will work any market. Any market. Check it out, guys. This a hammer reversal pattern on H4 time frame. Okay, and market went where? The sell went where? 4-hour candle. This is 4-hour time frame. So it will work in all time frames. Everywhere you find out this type of, it will work also in any index. Let me switch to minute 5 and show you. This is VIX 100 index. Let me see if there is a present any candlestick pattern. We will trade it to show you how actually they works. I don't know why the chart is not appearing. Let's switch to 51S index and see if there is any reversal pattern. We will open our trade. Look here, a very minor sell cause of this candle. A short-term sell cause of this candle. Opening and closing at the mid of these both candles. That's why it went sell. Let me see, guys, if I found a good. I will open a trade and explain you well. If I found a reversal pattern, I will open a trade and teach you why it went in buy or sell. And this is step index. Likely people want to trade this. B3H1 hammer, let me see. And check it out. A reversal sign, a sell sign under the moving average. This is a solid trade, guys. Very well, my dear friend Mohammed Ahmed. You find a good trade. Very well. This is the reversal sign, and also this is the reversal sign. So we go to confirmation. Where will be our stop loss? At the first candle top here. H1 there is no any hammer, my dear friend, on boom 300, but on minute 15 it's visible. Okay guys, so this is a live example. On boom 300 sell a reversal pattern because it appeared somewhere on top, and the second confirmation cause of this hammer, so the sell will go there. If you want to sell, then go ahead and do it with stop loss 2984 in demo account. Okay, for learning purpose, this is not trading advice, just for learning. Put your stop loss 2984 and go for sell. Let's see how long it go, so you guys will learn with confidence with this example. Am I right? Each time a hammer appear under this moving average, it has strength. It's valid. It's powerful. You guys must have to focus on it. Everybody, you guys learned something new today or not? You guys gained some knowledge? Tomorrow I will explain Fibonacci, how actually the Fibonacci works, how to trade, how to use, what points we need to look. There are some more hidden secrets on this volatility indexes. I will explain step by step all of them there, so you guys will learn it carefully, easily, in the simple way. Is there any question related to this strategy or someone? I'm here to answer all of your questions. Let me know, guys. If you guys want to ask something, I will explain each and everything also in groups, so you guys will note down and understand them well. Okay, no one have any question? Okay guys, now it's time to close the stream. I'm sure you guys learned something new. I will post all this material in groups so you guys understand it better. See you tomorrow with another class. Okay, very well. Like the stream, hit the subscribe button so you keep guys receiving upcoming streams notification on time. You guys may take this sell trade and let me know, let me post with these results. Okay, do it on demo account so you guys learn with confidence. Yes sir, understand. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us on time. You buddies sell this boom 300 and let me know in live my inbox on WhatsApp. Join the group by clicking the link which is in pin chat, live chat. And let us know whether you really found it. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow with another Fibonacci class. Or actually the Fibonacci work, how to draw, how to use, how to predict the upcoming move, how to set the stop loss, take profit, each and everything. I will try to explain. Thank you everybody. I'm sure you guys learned something new. Thank you so much जी. आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया जी. Thanks a lot guys. Thanks a lot. Lot of respect and love for you buddies. One more like and we will close the stream. One more like. Double tap on screen, the like will be done. Double tap on screen just. Just one more like. And we are ready to go. Go back. Okay guys, thank you for this like. Lot of respect. Okay guys, thank you for this like. See you tomorrow with another session. I will try to explain more things in simple words so you people understand it well. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.